Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's time to do some taste testing, and I got one, two, three, four different things to taste today. So I went on a field trip to HEB, and then I went to, I think, Marshall's or TJ Maxx. I can't remember which one I think it was. I went to both of them, but where I got one snack was from there. And then the other one I got from Sam's. So let's get started. Okay? So the first thing I'm gonna try is from HEB. It's the honey flavored cheese puffs. I'm gonna give you a list of them first. And then the next one I'll be trying is these Dorito Blazing Buffalo and Ranch chips. And the next thing I'll be trying is these Bud and Ellis dill pickle popcorn. And then last thing I'll be trying is these HEB Mexican street corn chips. I'm back. You know, with popcorn, I was on the Bud and Ellie's dill pickle popcorn. I'm sorry. You know, with popcorn, you gotta taste more than one. I love pickle stuff. I like though. That's good. My last thing I'm testing. Let me get a little water. Biscuit over here. He ain't taste testing today. He just over here sitting over here with his treat, thinking somebody want his treat. Last one is the HEB Mexican street corn chips. Let me see it. See all the seasoning? Let me see. It tastes like